Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're looking at the Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. DJI has been far behind in getting their stuff out to market after they launched the Osmo Pocket. There's been no way to connect it except for a lot of aftermarket companies have been coming out with mounts. But this comes out with the wheel kit, the mount that everybody, in my opinion, needs to make it a multi-use product, and the wireless dock, and it also comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card. Now this cute little kit, this is all there is, guys. Here's the wireless expansion, the Bluetooth expansion. It is also a base so that you can set your DJI Osmo Pocket in it. This is the mount, and this is the wheel for changing, scrolling left to right and panning left to right and panning up and down. Now this mount, it's really well made. It's got a double overlocking hinge that makes it lock in very sturdy. Now there's a groove here that has to go where you normally would have your switch cover on. And here's where it connects to a bunch of accessories for GoPros. Now the latch is very sturdy. Once it's snapped into place, it's not going to go anywhere. The base, I'm dropping things tonight. So the base is really sturdy. So let me get my Osmo Pocket out here. This Osmo Pocket plugs into the base just like this. There you go. It's very sturdy. You want to set it down on somewhere and take a time lapse or something. But this is what I talked about. You have to leave the cover off. Now I was leaving my connection in for my phone, and so I would just leave it in that spot. But now that I have this base, I don't want to leave anything in that spot most of the time, because in order to use this base, it has to go right in that spot right there. So let me see how this works. It's a little awkward until you get used to it. That connection goes right in that groove, which keeps it from sliding and anything going up and down. So that's how it locks into place, and I'm sure you guys probably seen this already. But it allows you to use the wireless Bluetooth and connect to your DJI. But what it also allows you to do is connect to multiple GoPro connections, so that you can connect your GoPro mounts and hook them all up. Now let's see. So now that you have the mount, you can hook it up to, GoPro handles. You can hook it up to suction cup mounts. You can hook it up just about to anything that a GoPro can. Now I am finding that I would much rather see a little bit longer reach on this, because since the Osmo Pocket is long, it doesn't pivot as far as I would like when it's connected to something like that. So if you got this connected, and then you want to pivot it down, you really have a hard time getting the reach that you want. Let's see here. So this is just an illustration of what I'm talking about. If you're going to connect this to Of course, I don't have a regular GoPro handle. I just got my monopod here for now. But, so if you want to connect that to your monopod, you got to hold it like that. Now you can pivot it, hold the monopod like in flashlight mode and hold it. You can extend it, you know, as far as you like. And, you know, there you go. You got a way to keep it out from you quite a distance, you know, since the field of view is so tight, then it makes it easy to mount onto any kind of holder you want to mount it onto. And it's rock steady, it's sturdy. So now with the Bluetooth, you could actually have your phone mounted on the other end of your pole, and you could actually use it like a boom shot. You could raise it up as you go, and then get a boom shot going on. And I tried it out today, mounted it on my tripod and used it like a boom pole, and it worked pretty good. It needs to be polished a little bit and get some fittings to get the Osmo Pocket just the way I want it. But it's so much better having some way to mount it now that it finally came out. This mount is I would highly recommend it. It's very much worth it. Now, of course, you get a discount if you buy everything together. And I'd say that this little kit is nice to have. Having the Osmo be available to be able to remotely connect to it is very, very nice feature. And I don't know if you've seen, there's a one guy on YouTube, one channel that's done a teardown already. In Osmo Pocket, it's full battery from the top to the bottom. You got the motherboard, but most of it's all battery. There's really no extra space in there. They could have made it a little bit longer and built all this stuff in. Then you would have a better hand grip. But, you know, they got the reasons to make it really small. And I tell you, using it in a tight space, there's not, you know, you can do a lot with your cell phone, but you can't be as smooth and as handy as this in a tight, like we were in a vehicle with the whole family, and you just want to move this around and get pictures of your grandchildren or whatever. It is very handy. There is nothing else like it. So there you have it, guys. That's the Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. I'll be doing some more videos on using it and how it works. I do not like having to leave this cover off, because, you know, you're going to lose that cover if you do anything with it. So you want to make sure you keep all your stuff handy. I see that, you know, got some fingerprints on there, but Osmo Pocket's really been a nice unit. I'm really liking it, guys. So there you have it. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.